5 Best Mechanical Watches. Here is the product number 5. Luxury Male Mechanical Skeleton Wristwatch. Winner Transparent Fashion Diamond Luminous Gear Movement Royal Design Meant Top Brand Luxury Male Mechanical Skeleton Wristwatch. Clasp Type, Bracelet Clasp. Style, Fashion and Casual. Movement, Mechanical Hand Wind. Band Length, 21 cm. Case Material, Stainless Steel. Feature, Luminous Hands. Dial Window Material Type, Glass. Here is the product number 4. Sapphire Crystal Men Automatic Mechanical Watches. Case Material, 316 liters Stainless Steel. Sport Type, Diving. Glass, Sapphire Crystal Glass, R coating. Additional features, Date Window 2.5 times Amplification if. Band Material Type, Stainless Steel. Feature, Luminous, Complete Calendar, Diver, Water Resistant, Swim, Luminous Hands. Here is the product number 3. Senors Automatic Watch Luxury Men Watches. Brand name, Senors. Water resistance depth, 3 bar. Clasp type, buckle. Style, fashion and casual. Movement, automatic self-wind. Case material, stainless steel. Feature, auto date, complete calendar, water resistant, weak display. Dial window material type, Hurdle X. Here is the product number 2. 2020 Luxury Men Mechanical Wristwatch. Brand name, PAGANI Design. Water resistance depth, 10 bar. Clasp type, folding clasp with safety. Movement, mechanical hand wind, automatic self-wind. Case material, stainless steel. Feature, shock resistant, auto date, complete calendar, multiple time zone, water resistant, swim, luminous hands, anti-magnetic. Here is the product number 1. PAGANI Design Brand Luxury Men Watches. Brand name, PAGANI Design. Water resistance depth, 10 bar. Clasp type, bracelet clasp. Style, business. Movement, automatic self-wind. Case material, stainless steel. Color, white, black, orange, blue. Feature, auto date, complete calendar, shock resistant, luminous hands, water resistant.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.